Hello everyone, in this lecture we are going to discuss constructor in derived class. So let us write a program directly to understand behavior of constructor in derived class. Here we are having class base and one default constructor. Inside that I am displaying one message. Same way I am having class derived with default constructor, but derived is derived using base class. Here I am creating one object of class base. If I execute this code, it will call base class default constructor. Instead of that, I am create object of class derived. It will first of all call base class default constructor and then derived class default constructor. Though we have not created any object of base class, it will automatically call first base class constructor and then derived class constructor. So constructor will automatically invoke. Suppose we are creating one more class child over here and it is deriving by class derived. Inside that I am creating constructor. So now I am creating object of class child, that is C. Let us execute the code. Here it is calling first of all base class constructor, then derived class and then child class. We are having multiple inheritance over here. In that base is deriving class derived and derived is deriving class child. So it will follow the sequence of base class, then derived class and then child class. Suppose this child class is deriving base class as well. So right now here is the situation: base class, derived class both are individual class, and child class is derived by based and derived over here. So here in this case, if I execute this code, it will call base class constructor, then derived, then child. But if I change the sequence of our inheritance here, and if I write like this, so here it will call derived class, then base class and then child class, because here order of inheritance is first derived, then base and then child class constructor will be called. So let us see execution of base class constructor. Suppose you are inheriting base class to derived class, then first of all it will call base class constructor and then derived class constructor. In next case, class C is inherited by class A and class B. So first of all it will call constructor of class A, then class B and then class C. In next case, class C is deriving class A and virtual public B. So in this case, first of all it will call constructor of class B, then class A and class C. So this is the way how constructor in derived class behaves. Thank you.